I start learn simply piano. Today it's day number, can say 3, but it's not full day 3. It's maybe 2.5. I am 40 years old and I try to learn how to play piano. Don't be laugh how you playing. Okay, just can start from new. Okay, result is 60 note from 69. It's not bad, but to me it's not good.